Ni hao. Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to tackle something super useful in daily life, transportation. Ready to jump in? Let's go. So here's what we've got on the agenda today. We'll start with the names of different vehicles, then we'll learn the action words to go with them. After that, we'll see how to ask some everyday questions, and finally, we'll pull it all together with some real conversation practice. Sound good? All right, first up, means of transport. We're going to start with the most common words you'll need. Okay, this first word is a big one because you'll see it everywhere. It's the general word for vehicle. Listen carefully to how I say it. 车. Let's say it one more time at a normal speed. 车. Now it's your turn to try. Great. A super simple sentence is 这是车, which just means this is a vehicle. All right, now let's get more specific. To talk about a car, we say 汽车. Listen to the tones. 汽车. Again, at a natural pace, 汽车. Go ahead, you say it. Perfect. To say this is a car, you'd say 这是汽车. Next up, if you need a ride in the city, you'll want a taxi. In Mandarin, that's 出租车. Let me say that again slowly. 出租车. And now a bit faster. 出租车. Your turn to repeat. Fantastic. Okay, this next one is a bit longer, but don't worry, we'll break it down. For public bus, we say 公共汽车. Let's try it slowly. 公共汽车. Listen again at a normal speed. 公共汽车. All right, now you give it a shot. Here's one you'll see around schools. For school bus, we say 校车. Listen again. 校车. Your turn? Perfect. For example, you could say 这是校车, meaning this is a school bus. If you're traveling a longer distance, say between cities, you might take a train. In Mandarin, that's 火车. Let's practice that. Slowly. 火车. And again, 火车. Please repeat after me. And for our last vehicle in this section, we have the subway, which is super common in big cities. The word is 地铁. Let's say it together. 地铁. One more time. 地铁. Now you're doing so well. You've just learned 7 new words for getting around. Great job. Okay, let's move on. Now that we know what we're traveling in, we need to know how to talk about using them. This section is all about the ways to travel. Now, this is a really, really important difference in Mandarin, so listen closely. We have 2 key verbs here. The first one is kai. You use kai when you are the one behind the wheel, the one controlling the vehicle. So 开车 means to drive a car. Makes sense, right? But if you're just a passenger, you use the verb 坐. For example, 坐火车 means to take the train. You're sitting in it but not driving it. So the big question you always have to ask is, am I the driver or am I the passenger? Of course, sometimes we use our own 2 feet. To say to walk, we use the phrase 走路. Let's practice it. 走路. One more time. 走路. Your turn. Excellent. And you'll notice, this one doesn't need kai or 坐. It's its own special action. You are doing great. We've got our vehicles, we've got our action words. Now let's put them together to start asking some everyday questions. To talk about things you do regularly, this time word is essential. For every day, we say 每天. Listen to the tones. 每天. Again, 每天. You're perfect. And here it is, the key to our question today. To ask how, we use the word 怎么. Again, that's 怎么. Go ahead and try it. Great. This little word is how we ask about the method or way something is done. Okay, time to build our key question. Let's look at the pieces. We have 你 for you, 每天 for every day, 怎么 for how, and 上学, which means to go to school. Put it all together and we get 你每天怎么上学? Listen to the flow of the question. 你每天怎么上学? This means, how do you go to school every day? All right, you are totally ready for our final section, practice conversation. We're going to see how to use everything we've just learned in a real back and forth. Let's see it in action. So how do you answer that question? Well, the sentence structure is actually very logical. Check it out. First, you start with the subject, 我, which means I. Then you add the time word, 每天. Next comes the how part. For example, 坐校车, take the school bus. And you finish with the action, 上学, go to school. See? Subject, time, how, action. Simple! Okay, let's try our first conversation. I'll read both parts so you can hear how it sounds. Person A asks, 你每天怎么上学? And person B replies, 我每天坐校车上学. That means I go to school by school bus every day. You can totally see that subject, time, how, action pattern we just talked about, right? Let's do another example. This time we're asking about dad, or baba, and how he goes to work, which is 上班. So person A asks, 你爸爸每天怎么上班? And the answer is, 我爸爸每天开车上班. This means, my dad drives to work every day. And see, we use 开车 here because dad is the one doing the driving. Okay, one last one. Let's ask about mom, mama. The question is, 你妈妈每天怎么上班? The answer, 我妈妈每天坐公共汽车上班. So my mom takes the public bus to work every day. And since she's a passenger, we use the verb 坐. It all fits together. So what's the big idea to remember from all this? It's that super useful sentence pattern. Subject plus time plus how plus action. Once you know that structure, you can talk about how anyone gets anywhere.